Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our Guardian Angel series. Today, we are calling in healing wisdom, creative brilliance, and divine recognition. Many of you feel called to heal, whether it is yourself, others, or the world through your gifts. Others feel a deep creative fire inside them and are ready to be seen, supported, and rewarded for their talents. This is where Angel LELAHEL shines. If this is your first time here, I'm Havital, your favorite devotee, guiding you back to your source through the wisdom of the guardian angels. Everything here is about growth, alignment, and service, so get devoted. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the rest of this sacred series. Who is Angel LELAHEL? Pronounced LEH-LAH-HEL, Angel LELAHEL is the guardian angel of healing knowledge, the arts, and divine illumination. LELAHEL's energy is radiant and expressive. He teaches that healing and creativity come from the same source, light expressed through intention. Angel LELAHEL governs knowledge of healing for self and others, artistic inspiration and creative mastery, attraction of recognition, success, and honorable fame, expansion of fortune through aligned service. LELAHEL does not promote ego, he illuminates those whose gifts are meant to be shared. Angel LELAHEL can help you with developing healing abilities grounded in compassion, restoring emotional, energetic, and spiritual balance, unlocking artistic talent and creative confidence, gaining visibility and recognition for your work, increasing fortune through aligned purpose, sharing your gifts in a way that uplifts others. Before you begin, gather your space. You don't need extravagance. Clarity invites illumination. White or gold candle for healing light and divine brilliance. Optional green candle for balance and restoration. Optional orange or yellow candle for creativity and confidence. Quiet, inspired space. Journal and pen to record insights or creative ideas. This invocation supports spiritual growth and healing awareness and is not a substitute for professional medical or therapeutic care. Step-by-step invocation. Sit comfortably with both feet on the ground. Relax your shoulders and jaw. Breathe in slowly for 4. Hold gently for 2. Release for 6. Allow lightness to enter your chest and mind. Think of the issue you need resolution for. Bring your focus to your desire to heal yourself or others, a creative gift waiting to be expressed, or your readiness to receive recognition and support for your work. Hold this intention gently, without force. Pronounce the name. Slowly and clearly speak the sacred name. LEH-LAH-HEL. 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 Let the sound illuminate your inner space. Recite the Psalms passage. From Psalms 9, verse 12. Sing praises to the Lord who dwells in Zion. Proclaim among the nations his deeds. Speak the words as an offering, not a request. Seal the invocation. Say with clarity and trust, "Let it be done." Visualize light flowing through your hands, voice, or creative mind, ready to serve and express. After the invocation, remain in quiet awareness for 5 to 10 minutes. Notice ideas, inspiration, or a sense of warmth and clarity. Write down anything meaningful, creative ideas, healing insights, or feelings of readiness. Within the next 48 hours, take one aligned action. Practice your art. Study healing knowledge. Share your work. Offer help where guided. This signals your willingness to receive LEH-LAH-HEL's support. Signs Angel LELAHEL is working with you. Sudden inspiration or creative flow. Increased confidence in your abilities. Recognition or positive feedback arriving unexpectedly. Opportunities to help or heal others. Dreams of light, gold, music, art, or open stages. A warm sensation in the hands, heart, or solar plexus. Increased visibility or invitations connected to your gifts. Quick, let us begin version. Think of the need for healing knowledge or to heal yourself or others. Pronounce the name, LEH-LAH-HEL. Say the Psalms passage. Sing praises to the Lord who dwells in Zion. Proclaim among the nations his deeds. Say, let it be done. Closing. If you felt inspiration, warmth, or clarity during this invocation, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how Angel LELAHEL is activating your gifts. Return to this practice whenever you are creating, healing, or preparing to step into visibility. Thank you, devotees, for spending this sacred time with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so others can awaken their healing and creative light. Remember, your gifts were given to be shared, and the light supports you. Blessings to you all.